Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another lip swatch video, and today I am testing out and swatching the Maybelline Glaze Oil Lip Balms. I have 4 shades to swatch today. I've had these for a little while and I'm excited to swatch these today. So these have been like sort of trending over the summer and they're actually really affordable. I got these on TikTok. But they are really affordable lip balms. So they're actually called the Lifted Glaze lip balms and they are $7.99 each. Compared to some of the lip balms that I've been trying recently, which are £10, I think that's really affordable. So I have 4 shades to swatch today. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so first of all, I have the shade Pink Drip, which is a pale pink. I'm not imagining there's going to be much colour or pigment to these lip balms. So yeah, let's start swatching. Well, actually, there is quite a bit of pigment. There's more pigment than I thought there would be. That is stunning. Wow, that is a really, really nice. First of all, the consistency, it feels like butter, just so creamy, moisturising on your lips. Not sticky, not heavy, really lightweight. But it looks nothing like the colour in the tube, but it looks so nice on my lips. I wasn't expecting this to have any pigment whatsoever. But look how much pigment it's got. And this is only $7.99. Wow. That is stunning. So far so good. I love it. Okay, next up we have the shade Peach Quench. So it's more of a darker brownie, like reddish shade, peachy shade. So let's see what this looks like. This has so much pigment. I wasn't expecting it to be so dark. Like, this is a lip balm. Like, look how much pigment is in this. This is a really nice summery shade. Also, maybe even like fall, autumn shade. Again, same consistency, lovely. These have sort of like a mint scent. It's not overpowering, I can just smell it, so that's nice as well. I just can't get over how pigmented this is. It's a bit too much for me, I think. I'll have to like tone it down. Next up we have the shade Berry Haze. So this is more of like a plum shade, I would say. This and the first one are my favourites so far. This is a really me shade. This is a really like fall, winter type shade. This is really, really nice. Not too pigmented as well. Maybe it's because I went lighter with this one. I didn't put as much on and I prefer it like this. It's a lot more natural. Absolutely love this. 10 out of 10. Now I only have one more to try and I'm actually quite scared to try it. So this is the shade Cherry Swirl. I'm thinking maybe this might be like a Christmas lipstick. We'll see. Yeah, this is gonna be like a Christmas lipstick. This is too much for me any other time of the year apart from Christmas. And I've tried to go really light-handedly with it, but it is so pigmented. This is gonna be my Christmas lipstick, I think. I actually really like it. I just can't wear this any other time of year except for Christmas. But it is a really nice red shade, really glossy and moisturising and toned down. So that's really nice too. Okay, so those were all the swatches. My favourite shades are the first one, which was Pink Drip, and the third one, which was Berry Haze. I'm going to be wearing those two all the time. They're like my new favourite shades. They are really, really nice, hydrating, moisturising, comfortable lip balms on your lips. Really, really affordable as well. Only $7.99 each. I would recommend them. Definitely, I would repurchase them. They are really, really nice. So yeah, they get a thumbs up from me. So yeah, that completes this video. This was my review of the Maybelline Lifted Glaze Lip Balms. I hope that you liked it and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already so you can see all my other videos. Let me know in the comments if you've tried these Lifted Balms by Maybelline and let me know what your favourite shade is. And yeah, thank you so much for watching guys and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!